Have you ever felt trapped in life's challenges where you're powerless and must rely solely on luck and faith? It's hard to believe, isn't it? We're taught to believe in hard work, and we do. We put in the effort and patiently await results. But what if our hard work could yield quick results? Look no further. This intriguing video unveils the astonishing power of Neville Goddard techniques, offering one of the swiftest and most effective ways to manifest our goals. The beauty is its immediate impact. You won't have to endure days or weeks of waiting to witness its effects. Try it tonight, focus on your manifestation, and notice the changes by morning. Though it may seem too good to be true, countless individuals attest to its effectiveness. Give it a shot and be amazed at what you can achieve with this powerful technique. Our subconscious mind is a key player in the manifestation process, serving as a potent ally in attracting and shaping our desired reality. Through focused thoughts on our specific goals, we create deep impressions that imprint on our subconscious, much like planting seeds in fertile soil. When our beliefs align with our desires, our subconscious becomes more open to manifestation, functioning smoothly like well-synchronized gears in a machine. Harnessing and understanding the power of our subconscious is vital in the art of manifestation. By working in tandem with it through focus, belief alignment, emotional connection, and positivity, we unlock the potential to manifest the world we truly desire. I have personally experienced firsthand the remarkable effectiveness of this technique in manifesting my desires. It was a surprising yet profoundly incredible experience that left me in awe. At a time when I found myself facing financial strain, particularly struggling to cover my rent, which was due imminently, a close friend who is deeply immersed in spiritual practices recommended that I give this method a try. Despite initially harboring doubts and skepticism, I decided to embrace an open-minded approach and delve into the practice. That very night, I dedicated a peaceful 15 minutes to meditation, immersing myself in the visualization of effortlessly paying my rent. I vividly envisioned the scenario unfolding before me, feeling the palpable sense of abundance and prosperity surrounding me as I visualized each detail with clarity. With a growing sense of peace and confidence in the process, I retired to bed, trusting in the universe to unfold its plan. To my absolute astonishment, the following morning brought with it an unexpected and long-awaited payment from a client, a sum that I had previously deemed lost or unattainable. This serendipitous turn of events not only alleviated my financial concerns, but also served as a resounding affirmation of the power and efficacy of the technique. With the newfound resources at my disposal, I promptly settled my rent obligations, bringing a sense of relief and contentment not only to myself but also to my landlord. Reflecting on this profound experience, I am reminded of the teachings of Neville, particularly the notion of living in the end and envisioning our desires as already fulfilled. However, Neville also acknowledges the inevitable presence of doubts and negativity that may arise along the journey of manifestation. By consciously redirecting our thoughts and intentions towards positivity and unwavering belief, we can cultivate a mindset of focus and empowerment, thereby paving the way for successful manifestation and the realization of our deepest desires. Manifesting before bedtime harnesses the potent receptivity of our subconscious mind during sleep. To engage in this practice, settle into a tranquil space, either seated or lying down, and begin by taking deep breaths to ease both body and mind. Reflect on the positive moments of your day, fostering gratitude for your experiences. Next, vividly articulate your manifestation goal or desire, painting a detailed mental picture as though it's already a reality. Immerse yourself in the sensations of living within this desired reality. Through consistent practice, you tap into your subconscious's profound ability to manifest, bolstered by unwavering belief in the process. Organizing our thoughts is paramount for successful manifestation. Clarity and concentration amplify the potency of our manifestations. Prior to anything else, take the time to meticulously define your manifestation goals. Clear, detailed goals enable our thoughts to align with achieving the desired outcome. Belief in the power of manifestation is equally crucial. Trusting in the universe's support and the law of attraction fosters a positive mindset, priming us to receive our desired manifestations. A clear mind, coupled with defined goals and steadfast belief in the manifestation process, forms a sturdy foundation for success. Embracing these elements empowers us to materialize our aspirations and shape the reality we seek. Believing in our innate ability to manifest is a pivotal step on this transformative journey. Once we've successfully manifested our desires, it's vital to acknowledge and embrace these positive outcomes, no matter their size. Celebrating these manifestations bolsters our belief in the efficacy of manifestation. Equally essential is expressing gratitude. We should remain thankful not only for what we've already manifested, but also for what is yet to come. Gratitude radiates a positive energy that aligns us with the universe's abundance. Through recognizing our manifestations, celebrating each victory, and expressing genuine gratitude, we fortify our confidence in our manifesting abilities. Trusting in ourselves and the manifestation process empowers us to continue manifesting our desires and shaping the reality we desire. Prior to bedtime, it's crucial to be mindful of the thoughts occupying our minds. Take a moment to assess these thoughts. If any negative or limiting ideas arise, acknowledge and release them deliberately. Negative thoughts must be intentionally purged from the mind. Instead, focus on positive and motivating thoughts that align with your goals. By doing so, you create space for more creative and empowering thoughts that support your manifestation journey. The objective is to approach bedtime with a clear and optimistic mindset, fully committing to your manifestation goals. Clearing your mind of negativity allows you to direct your energy and attention toward your desired achievements, enhancing the likelihood of success. To ensure the effectiveness of this approach, addressing any negative thoughts before bedtime is crucial. During sleep, our subconscious mind is highly active, and the thoughts we carry can profoundly influence our experiences. Going to bed with a negative mindset may inadvertently attract undesired events into our lives. Therefore, it's essential to dedicate time before bed to confront and release any negative thoughts or emotions. Clearing our minds of negativity before bedtime reaffirms our alignment with the positive energy necessary for successful manifestations. As you prepare to sleep tonight, focus on positive thoughts regarding your desired achievements. Wholeheartedly believe that they have already come to fruition. This potent manifestation technique is poised to attract your desires and meet your needs. Trust in the process while relishing the manifestation experience.